Hello, Jeff Haradine, Barletta Pontoons, and I'm out here today on our C22UC, and I'm going to show you why this is going to be one of the most popular, best-selling boats in the pontoon business ever. It's really just a great floor plan. You'll see I'm up here in the bow, and I think we've designed the perfect bow. It's got tons of room in it. I'm about 6 feet tall, and you can see I got room to stretch out with room to spare. Great little armrest right here. If I'm sitting upright, to have a few people in the boat with me, easily 2 people. And if we're friendly and comfortable, you could put 3 in the bow here just on one side. You'll notice we've got a nice mirror of that on the other side of the boat, so there's good symmetry back and forth. Very important to me on a boat. I think it just looks right. You can tell somebody's paying attention and not cutting corners. Really great shaped seating. Plenty of room in between. Gives you a nice floor to the back of the boat. On the UC, we've got a captain's chair and a co-captain's chair, 2 dynamite, mid-back, reclining, fully adjustable chairs, cup holder for the captain, 2 cup holders for the co-captain. Stepping back toward the stern of the boat, we have the amazing, best in the industry Barletta Ultra Lounge, and we love the Ultra Lounge because it works so well in so many different ways that you use in the boat. Got a great forward face seating here, room for at least 2 more people, if not 3, and a perfect little conversation pit with the captain and the co-captain. Cup holders in all the right spots. And with the simple flip of that backrest, I've now got a dynamite rear-facing lounge. You'll notice on the rear-facing lounge or the forward-facing, I've got plenty of room for my legs to stretch out. We don't cut it short. We don't make it too small. At Barletta, when we build a boat, we sit in every piece of furniture. We look around, we pay attention, and we say, is this how we want to use this boat? Is this how we would want to have it as an owner? If I lay that backrest down flat, got this incredible day bed back here, plenty of room, lay out in the sun, put the bimini top out, lay out in the shade all day long. Just as important as that nice rear lounger, got a wonderful forward-facing lounge too. And we love this because it brings the people at the stern of the boat back into the boat again if they so choose. It's also nice when you're running down the lake to be in a forward-facing position. But we don't stop there on this UC, because we just pop these middle seats up. Got a great rear-facing bench seat. And it's nice here. That ski tow bar is in a perfect spot for me to stretch my legs out. And if you'd rather be sitting in an upright than laying down at the sandbar floating out in the middle of the lake like we are, no problem. In case you were wondering, you can use them in both positions. So I can have a group forward and I can have a group off the back in the bow. True to every Barletta boat we build, great big swim decks off the back, plenty of room to walk back and forth. And so for a 22-foot boat, great swim deck, best Ultra Lounge in the business, wonderful captain and co-captain's chairs, and bow lounge room for days. It's an awesome boat. You're gonna love it. Come check it out.